Today we're starting from the ground up with an introduction to MLA Essentials, a writer's guide to style and formatting. MLA. In this video, we will cover the purpose of the Modern Language Association style and explain why MLA formatting is used in academic writing. We will also cover the basic formatting elements of an MLA paper, including margins, font, spacing, headings, and page setup. Lastly, we will cover the writing style conventions of an MLA paper, including point of view usage, pronoun guidelines, and standard academic grammar rules. So what is MLA style? MLA style is a widely used set of writing and formatting guidelines created by the Modern Language Association. Primarily, it is used in the arts and humanities, and it provides a standard for structuring research papers and crediting sources to ensure consistency, clarity, and the avoidance of plagiarism. The three main elements of MLA formatting are 1. Paper formatting, 2. In-text citations, and 3. The works cited list. MLA paper elements and format. Let's start by reviewing the elements of an MLA paper. The elements of an MLA paper consist of the body of the paper organized into paragraphs, and the works cited page, which is an alphabetical list at the end of your paper detailing full publication information for every source used. Now, let us review the basic formatting guidelines for MLA. First, you should create a running header that numbers all pages consecutively in the upper right-hand corner. Your last name should be placed before the page number on each page. Your MLA paper should be double-spaced throughout. In the upper left-hand corner on the first page of your paper, you should create a heading that lists your name, your instructor's name, the course name and number, and the due date for the assignment. Again, be sure to use double-spaced text. And the title of your paper should be placed below the heading, and it should be centered. Set the margins of your document to 1 inch on all sides and indent all paragraphs 5 spaces or half an inch. And you should type your paper in a standard 12-point font. Let's take a look at a MLA sample paper for better clarification of the guidelines. Note that in the upper right-hand corner, you can see the page number preceded by the author's last name. There is a space between the author's last name and the page number. The entire document is double-spaced. Flush left, you see the heading for the paper. The paper includes your name, your professor's name, and your course name and number, and the date the assignment is due. And the title of the paper is centered, and it is placed below the heading of the paper. Now, let's take a look at the works cited page. The works cited page appears at the end of your paper. Again, it is an alphabetical list of all the sources you used in your paper. As I tell students, if you cite a source in the body of your paper, you must have a citation for it on the works cited page. I also want to point out with the works cited page that works cited is centered. It is not bolded or italicized. And you can see the page number and your last name is in the top right-hand corner of the page. All entries on your works cited page are listed alphabetically by the author's last name. If a source does not have an author, begin your citation directly with the title of the source. Never use anonymous as an author unless the work is explicitly assigned with that word. Here's an example of a source that does not have an author. In cases where there is no author and you're listing the source by its title, use the first word in the title, but ignore articles such as a, and, or the. Also note that the Works Cited page is double-spaced throughout. Each citation uses a hanging indent. The first line of each citation should be flush with the left margin, and all subsequent lines are indented 5 spaces or half an inch. Moving on to writing style and grammar. MLA gives us clear boundaries alongside some modern flexibility. Let's start with your style and voice. First, your overall tone should always vary by assignment type. MLA allows papers to be informal and personal, or formal and academic, and everything in between, depending on your specific prompt. However, across almost all assignment types, you must avoid using the second person point of view, meaning words like you, your, or yours should stay out of your body paragraphs. When it comes to mechanics and grammar, MLA focuses heavily on precision and inclusivity. For instance, the regular gender-neutral pronoun they is fully accepted. You should use it when referring to an individual whose gender is unknown, or if they is a person's preferred pronoun. For numbers, the rule of thumb is simple. Spell out numbers that can be written in 1 or 2 words, like 2 or 42. On the other hand, you should use numerals for longer numbers, explicit measurements, or when you're expressing things like a specific time. Finally, remember that all other standard academic grammar conventions apply, so keep your sentence structures clear, maintain proper subject-verb agreement, and always proofread for clarity. If after viewing this video you have any additional questions about MLA style, please feel free to contact the Lawson State Library. We are happy to help.